So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, you know, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company's called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So today's video is a very sad one about an Uber driver who unfortunately got shot twice. And this is just goes to show that being an Uber driver is sometimes a dangerous job. You don't know who's in your back seat. You don't know what could happen at any time. I can personally just touch the back seat right now. Think of what, you got 3-4 people in your car. It's really dangerous, and a lot of these stories, guys, happen late at night. So if you want to be a safer driver, drive during the day when it's light outside, which a lot of these things don't happen. You know, for something like this to happen at 1 p.m. on a Tuesday is pretty much unlikely. So this is very sad, obviously. So please give the video a thumbs up to warn people on how to actually avoid these situations, because if you give the thumbs up button, if you hit the thumbs up button, the like button down below, turn it blue, YouTube will push this out to a wider audience and could potentially save people's lives. It's better safe than sorry. I did have some people in the past comment and ridicule me for telling, I did want to get this out of the way, ridicule me for telling drivers to buy pepper spray or a taser. So actually, I believe, don't quote me on this, but Uber, I think, you are allowed, but Lyft you're not. I could be confusing those. One of the two apps you are allowed to have non-lethal protective weapons, the other one you're not. Look, I understand you want to either one, you want to find a way to, you know, tell me that I'm going against the rules, but hey, sometimes you gotta be better safe than sorry. Like, I'm sorry if you're carrying around pepper spray and you're gonna get deactivated. Sometimes you just gotta protect yourselves. So I mean, I'm not saying go do it. You have to go get pepper spray. I'm just saying if you want to, I'm not gonna stop you. And personally, I mean, you know how many drivers out there don't have rideshare insurance, for example. I would say 90% of drivers at least don't have rideshare insurance. But you're supposed to have it. So I don't know. I mean, if you play by the rules, if you want, be, you know, be like, if you want to follow the rules, I guess, don't carry pepper spray or a taser. I mean, I'm not saying bust it out like on every ride, but if it's a life or death situation and you got a taser, I mean, someone pulls a knife out on you and you're able to tase that guy and, you know, run away from your car, it could save your life. So I don't know, I guess just play it by ear. It's obviously a personal choice. If you're driving at night, I would say, hey, consider it. Consider making that risky move. So this is on the charlotteobserver.com. This is obviously a very sad story, but Uber driver shot twice in possible road rage incidents in Georgia. An Uber driver is expected to recover, thankfully, after authorities say he was shot in an unexpected road rage incident. So I'm guessing it's from another passenger. But look at this, after the scene of 4:30 a.m. like I said, guys, this stuff happens super late at night usually. If this was 4:30 p.m. probably be another story. Brookhaven police arrived at the scene just after 4:30 a.m. Monday to find the driver with multiple gunshot wounds. Deputy Police Chief Brandon Gurley told McClatchy News. Authority says he was struck once in the abdominal area and once in the thigh. Yeah, that's crazy. Police are searching for a second vehicle that fled the scene. Brookhaven police are conducting a non-fatal shooting investigation. Only one southbound lane is open, blah, blah, blah. We believe the shooters were in a white passenger car. We're still working to confirm the make and model. We believe the vehicle was occupied by more than one person, so there's a lot of investigative work going into this. I'm assuming this was just a road rage incident. I guess that's at least what the driver said. I don't know. You guys know what happens. I've been in road, I mean, I don't get road rage. Like, I would never obviously try to, like, well, whatever. Some people have road rage. One time I accidentally cut somebody off. I was turning onto a, basically, it wasn't a highway, but like, you know, like a main road that is, the speed limit's like 40, right? Everyone's going fast. So in my old car, I used to drive basically a junker, a beater, 2008 Hyundai. Thing was 2 cylinders. I turned out of Walmart to get onto this main highway, and I underestimated how fast everyone was going. You know, I didn't pull out, like the guy didn't, it wasn't like super dangerous, but the guy definitely had to brake, you know, to slow down for me. I probably pulled out, was going at 20 or 30. For me, for my car, it's hard to accelerate to 40 quickly. It probably take, you know, I don't know, a good few seconds. And so the guy ended up cutting, the guy ended up having to brake, and he pulled up right behind me. He barely stopped in time. Like, he had time to stop, you know. I wasn't gonna cause an accident, but he definitely did have to slow down. I understand it was technically my fault, but hey, you know, it happens. He pulled up right behind me, slammed on the horn, and literally for the next 2 miles, I couldn't get rid of this guy. This guy's pulling up right next to me, cussing me out, flipping me off. He pulls in front of me, tries to brake. I'm trying to get away from this dude. I'm like, I told him, dude, I'm sorry. Like, he can see I have a dent in the front of my car. Like, I drive a beater. My car is probably valued at $1,500. Like, dude, I don't have a super fast car. Like, I'm sorry, but like, that's not an excuse to, like, I shouldn't have pulled out, but still, like, I'm assuming that something like that happened where this guy just seems like, I mean, I was totally like, I'm sorry, dude, like, I'm sorry. I was trying to be like, and I was literally getting chills because I didn't know. I literally thought this guy was gonna pull a gun on me, because, you know, it was like, I don't know, it's just, these things are scary. You never know what people are gonna do. I'm assuming it was a pretty similar situation. Though the driver was on duty, no passengers were with him. So he was driving Uber at 4:30 a.m. there during that time. When he was shot, police told WSB TV he was taken to the hospital. So yeah, guys, I mean, obviously with this stuff, if he had pepper spray, I don't think it would, or a taser, I don't think it would have done anything, because it sounds like it was coming from another car. But like, I mean, there's really nothing you can do besides just being a super safe driver and defensive driver. I don't know if the driver, you know, tried to cut him off and they're going back and forth, whatever, you know, they're starting yelling at each other. I don't know what it is. In any case like this, I recommend just playing the sorry game, you know, be like, I'm sorry, you know, it'd be like, even if you have to roll down your window, be like, hey, you know what, I totally take the fault for it, I apologize. It could, you know, it could, I don't know, it could prevent these things from happening. Again, I don't know if this guy, you know, obviously if they're willing to shoot him, like, I don't know. Again, I don't know if there's any confrontation or what. But anyways, guys, please give this video a thumbs up just so people are more aware of these things. And again, if you're an Uber driver or Lyft driver and you want to be a safer driver, drive during the day. So tap the thumbs up button so more people can see this video and more people can know how to be a safe defensive driver. So you don't want to be in road rage, because bad things could happen. Anyways, check out the links down below if you want to make more money as an Uber and a Lyft driver, and stay safe out there. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye, guys.